Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack a Toyota RAV4. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure your RAV4 is on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake firmly. It's also crucial to place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual to locate the precise jacking points for your specific model. Now let's find those crucial jack points. For the front of your RAV4, you'll generally find the designated jacking points on the frame rail, just behind the front wheels. When lifting the rear, look for similar frame rail points, usually located just in front of the rear wheels. Always use a sturdy floor jack equipped with a wide, flat saddle to ensure maximum stability and prevent damage to your vehicle's undercarriage. With your jack points identified, carefully position your floor jack directly and squarely underneath the chosen point. Begin to slowly and steadily raise the vehicle. Continue lifting until the tire you're working on is completely clear of the ground, allowing enough space for your task. Remember, a jack is for lifting, not for holding. Never, ever work under a vehicle that is only supported by a jack. Once your RAV4 is lifted, immediately place sturdy jack stands under the vehicle's frame, close to the jacking point. Slowly and carefully lower the vehicle until it rests securely on the jack stands. This provides essential support. When you're finished, slightly raise the vehicle with the jack, remove the jack stands, and then gently lower your RAV4 completely to the ground. Always ensure a controlled descent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.